think this is Feline Entertainment is the channel, something like that. It's I think it's like the video is called Bird and Squirrel Party in December or something like that. He was sitting right here and he jumped down and ran over to the TV. So this is better than looking at the window, huh? Oh, here's the squirrel. I mean, sometimes he'll just sit and stare at the TV screen like he's watching video with me, but this is the first time he's actually seemed really engaged. And it's intended for cats. Yep. My 4-year-old is a 4-year-old. Alright, skedaddles. You're a goof. I love you.